What's up guys, this is Mabrekta again. We have another Kobe 6 to review for today, and this is the Kobe 6 Fade to Black from H12 or God Killer. Let's go! Just a quick info about this colorway. This was released in 2016 and yung OG nito is not in Pro Throw system. Now GK decided to produce this colorway and also treated it with the Pro Throw system. Better performance is always the better choice, kaya I'm happy they added the Pro Throw dito. Let's get started with the box. Sa box pa lang solid na mga boss, isa din ito sa nakagrab ng attention ko. Snake scale design na may pa-fade effect from light color to a darker black. Inside the box, you'll see a small booklet, and when you open it, nakalagay dyan some history or timeline, but I'm not going to get into the details of that. Ang malaga kasama ito sa packaging, and dapat lang because GK is a premium price for a reps. So you always want the same experience like buying a retail. Next, of course, you have the bottom rubber outsole in color gray and real carbon fiber in the middle. Syempre, premium materials pa din, kaya GK Kobe 6 have one of the best traction. Proven and tested na yan mga boss. As mentioned earlier, this is with the Pro Throw system treatment, so expect the cushion on the heel and zoom turbo unit on the forefoot area. Scale lining is good, not too high. You also have the swoosh with the airbrush effect. Okay na okay din yung positioning ng swoosh. Uppers of the shoes is smoke gray all around in this classic Kobe 6 snake scale skin. On the back of the heel is where naiba yung fade to black in other Kobe 6. May gray suede na material dito sa heel and it looks and feels high quality. Also, yung sock liner is gray with high quality din na material. Just wanna say na iba talaga ang overall shape when you look at the side profile. Sa tongue area, it's tight. And kapag GK compared sa ibang batch ng Kobe 6, GK for me really did the work. Yung tongue for this fade to black colorway is leather with hard pressed Kobe's logo. This also comes with a hang tag with Kobe logo signature and the swoosh. This was released again in 2016, so ang hirap din talaga makahanap ng pair na to. And if you do, it is valued at around 50,000 pesos. Good thing naisipan ng GK mag-release ng ganitong colorway. So if you want a stealthy or matte black na vibes, bagay na bagay sa itong Kobe 6 Fade to Black, and this is only 9,500 pesos. For sure, madami pang exciting colorways ang ilalabas ng GK, and syempre magkakaroon din tayo niyan for review. Abang lang kayo mga boss. Thank you and peace out.